if you want to fix Meta because it's not working, this is the right video for you. So what you're gonna do first, make sure that you have a stable internet connection in order for this to work out. Stable internet connection or a stable or powerful cellular data in order for this to work out. Now, what you're gonna do, make sure that you go to the App Store or Google Play and make sure that you updated your Meta to the latest version in order to get access to all the new features. So go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings, all right? And then go ahead to the general and the software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version because maybe this is what holds you back. So make sure that you updated your iOS. Now, what you're gonna do, go to the iPhone storage, right? And check if Meta take a lot of space in your iPhone. So go and try to pin down Meta and then offload the app, and this will free up storage, keeping your document and login credentials intact. So go back to and stay in general. Okay, scroll a little bit down to the date and time and make sure that you set it automatically in order for them to have access to your information. And then scroll a little bit down to the VPN and device management. Make sure that you don't use any VPN because that will tell them that, or that will tip them off that this is not your real address or this is not really who you are. So make sure that you disconnect it in order for Meta to have access to your credentials and verify that this is your account. So that should do it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. See you in the next videos.